Hey guys, it's Michelle Morris. I wanted to go over really quick just a few different things that maybe you might have missed or just simply didn't know about in the orders. A lot of times as a new consultant, there's so many different little tiny pieces, and believe you me, some of the things that I'm about to show you, I certainly didn't know and kind of had to find out and ask about. The first thing I wanted to show you guys was the Perpetual Party Reward. Maybe you've had a party before, maybe you've been given a Perpetual Party Reward before, but you're not sure what it is. So there is an extra, I'm right here with my cursor, an extra free half off in every party. This is not a reward that can be combined because I know that some of you probably have thought before about ordering a diffuser. Now you need 2 half-offs, but the Perpetual Party Reward will not count towards that. You have to have a party that is $349.99 or higher to get 2 half-offs. But this does have the Perpetual Party Reward. This is a reward that you can give to absolutely anyone. You could give it to someone in a whole entire different state if you wanted. So the Perpetual Party Reward, if you use the drop-down menu here, will have all of your guests. The only thing you need to do if you're giving this party reward to someone that has not ordered in the party, you just need to add them as a new guest, which you, I'm assuming, already know how to do because we've already added all of these guests and their orders. So we can choose Michelle Kwan, and we just simply type in whatever it is she is wanting to order. Maybe she wants 6 Scentsy bars. Yep, there we go. And it'll pop right up here. Oftentimes, if I'm closing a party out for myself, and it's my personal party, because I do several of those per month, that's how I get lots of free and half-off Scentsy, and I recommend anyone that can do it. But I will get scent circles. I love scent circles. And, you know, they're half off. So for $7.50, I get 6 scent circles, and I'm able to give and gift those around. So anyway, scent circles, you press apply, it goes into their cart. So here's another tip, and that is that you can have items in your party shipped direct to your customer. So I'll show you by adding a new guest how that's done. Add a new guest. Ship direct. Yes, I want to ship this direct. So we can just find anyone. I'll show you my grandmother there. This is my grandma. If you'd like to go say hi or give her a call, maybe shoot her an email. And we're going to have it shipped direct to grandma. Save and return to carts. So that one order now has a little delivery truck on it, and that's pretty nifty. So one other thing I wanted to show you is on the very last screen, and that's payment type. If you have been a total rock star in your first 70 days, you're going to have your product credit. You can use your product credit. I don't have anything right there. You can use pay portal balance, and that's going to pull from your paycheck whatever was paid to you. You can use that as a payment. Obviously credit card or gift certificate. So the biggest thing is that product credit. Sometimes people will be checking out and it's kind of hard to find. So hopefully that is helpful to you. I'll leave it there on credit card, and don't forget that yes, you can use multiple credit cards. I've had up to 8 or 9 at once, and it's a little nerve-wracking only because that's a lot of numbers. That's a lot of different cards you're using, but each individual person ordering in a party is going to have a card on there. So anyways, hope that was helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.